You see it every 4 years, the world's most famous ball. It is the heart of the beautiful game. But did you think where it actually comes from? It is not just a piece of leather. It is a high-tech marvel that travels thousands of miles before a pro ever kicks it. The soccer ball industry is a massive global network. It involves high-tech labs in Europe and giant factories in Asia. Today we are diving into the secret world of soccer ball manufacturing. We will see how they are made, who makes them, and why the ball you use in your backyard is nothing like a World Cup match ball. First, we head to Sialkot, Pakistan. This city is the undisputed world capital of soccer balls. Around 70% of the world's soccer balls are produced right here. For decades, Sialkot has been famous for its hand-stitched balls. In the 1990s, the industry faced a massive crisis. Media reports found children working in the supply chain. This led to the famous Atlanta Agreement in 1997. Brands like Adidas and FIFA teamed up with local leaders to eliminate child labor for good. Today, things are very different. Most production has moved from private homes to registered factories. A group called IMAC monitors these factories using computer-generated random checks. They make sure kids are in school and workers have fair conditions. One factory, Forward Sports, can produce over 20 million balls a year alone. But wait, if Pakistan makes 70% of the balls, why does the 2026 World Cup ball say made in China? This is where the industry gets interesting. While Sialkot makes most of the world's training and replica balls, the elite match balls often come from Guangdong, China. Guangdong is a high-tech hub. Factories there have the advanced tech needed for thermobonding. This means the ball panels are glued together with heat, not stitched by hand. This creates a perfectly round ball that does not soak up water. The 2026 World Cup ball is called the TRIONDA. It only has 4 panels. In the past, balls had 32 panels. Fewer panels mean more precision is needed. These factories use robotic arms and AI to check every single ball for flaws. Modern soccer balls are basically computers. The TRIONDA features connected ball technology. Inside the ball is a 500 Hz sensor. This sensor tracks exactly when the ball is kicked and where it moves. This data goes straight to the VAR room. It helps referees make instant decisions on offsides and goals. These balls are also becoming more green. They use recycled materials and water-based inks to protect the planet. Not every ball is allowed on a professional pitch. FIFA has very strict standards. There are 3 main labels: FIFA Basic, FIFA Quality, and FIFA Quality Pro. FIFA Basic balls are for your backyard or youth training. FIFA Quality balls are for amateur matches. But the FIFA Quality Pro label is the gold standard. To get this, a ball must pass a torture test in a lab. Scientists shoot the ball at a steel plate 2,000 times at high speed. They soak it in water to make sure it does not get heavy. They even measure its roundness at 4,000 different points. For a pro ball, it must absorb less than 10% water and be almost perfectly spherical. While Adidas is the big name for the World Cup, other brands are huge too. Molten, a Japanese brand, has a massive history. They have supplied balls for the Olympics since 1964 and currently make the balls for the Europa League. Then there is Kipsta, the brand from Decathlon. They recently became the official supplier for the French Ligue 1 and Ligue 2. Even these affordable brands now use the same high-tech thermal bonding and microfiber materials as the elite balls. So, the next time you see a goal in the World Cup, remember the journey. That ball started as a digital 3D model. It was crafted in a high-tech factory in China or a monitored center in Pakistan. It was tested by robots and scientists to be perfect. Soccer ball manufacturing is more than just sports equipment. It is a story of global trade, human rights, and cutting-edge science. From the streets of Sialkot to the stadiums of the World Cup, the ball is always at the center of it all.